Well, we have a saying in German, Umwege erhöhen die Ortskenntnis. What this basically means is that different stages in your life, different jobs you had, and locations where you lived, they all are not like a dead end. They enlarge, no, they increase your knowledge and your experiences. So, detours increase your local knowledge is one of my mottos in life and in business. So, different stages in my life. My name is Kersten Staat. I was born in Cologne in the middle of Germany, and I moved 25 years ago to Hamburg. In my first life, I studied German and mathematics, did an apprenticeship in a medium-sized bank, studied economics at the Bank Academy, and for 10 years I was the head of the HR department in the National Bank in Essen. I really can say my profession is my passion. I've been self-employed as a business trainer for about 25 years. I'm a coach, I'm a consultant, and a certified business mediator too. I like it when it's difficult, not easy. And I love to learn. So I've got more than 10 qualifications in training tools and coaching. So it might seem that I'm 107 years old, but actually I'm not. I'm 58. And now I will add a couple of things about myself. I'm married, I have a grown-up daughter in the age of 21. I really love to walk in the mountains and to ride my bike, and I like my garden and also dancing tango argentino. Okay, that's enough about me. And by the way, you can find further information on my website. Okay, I'd like to give you a couple of key facts about my workshops. No two workshops are the same. My clients come from various sectors: financial, IT, media, medical, sales and services, and I work also for NGOs and public corporations. All my trainings and workshops are absolutely customized and are focused on the individual issues of my clients. How do I reach this goal? I use a very clear process. To get the best result, I start with a detailed and structured analysis. The second step is to change the perspectives from all levels: the company, management, and the staff. And the last step has the headline "Form follows function." This basically means that I design a project with the promising methods and tools to achieve the best result and to transfer into daily business. So you can imagine that every project is a passion project for me. So only one question is missing: and when do we meet? So have a nice day.